This is what a 10-plus-year-old AMD cooler that was attached to a really old board looks like. This is the board that it was on. Look how old this is, an old Asus board with an AM3 chip. Look how old that is. Now I won't be doing this on here because I still would like to use this chip one day, but that cooler is going. And as you can see, here's the thermal compound, and it's like pretty impossible to remove. It's just doesn't come off, it's kind of stuck. So at this point I'm just cleaning it off for storage. I would never ever do this, but if you had a soft card you could probably remove it like this, but this is what I have to do because it's just so hard. You can tell that after many years the thermal compound does actually harden. This one you can just wipe off and it comes off alright because the die is nice and smooth. Wow, look at that AMD symbol. I've used this computer for over 10 years purely because it was used as like an emulator. Look at this. Also be careful, you don't want to get this on your bench and other things. You could just spray some lens cleaner on it. It's got alcohol properties and it'll help remove it. Yeah, but you don't really need to change your thermal compound. Like if it's after a year or two, like it'll last. This is after 10 years.